Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a default payment method on Google Play. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up our Play Store, make sure to sign into our account and then click onto our user profile, top right hand corner of the page here. Then from here, navigate down and click onto payments and subscriptions, click into payment methods. And then from here, scroll down, it will say add payment method to your Google account. And then on the next screen, you're going to add your credit or debit card. So once I click into it, it might be a black screen here while I record for security reasons. So just go ahead and add in your number and security details and also your expiry date on that card, and then click save card. Then from here, head back, and then under more options, click onto more payment settings, and then inside more payment settings, this is where you can go ahead and set up a default payment method. So you should be in a new browser now, sign in if prompted, and then find the payment method you want to make default, and then click set as default next to it.